I want you to look at these 4 vocabulary words right here. Do they look familiar? I love that for us, okay? Today we are only talking about these 4 vocabulary words and recognizing them from a picture. Okay. So you're saying that these are familiar. So if I highlight angle 2, which angle is vertical to angle 2?
4.
Angle 4, okay? Because vertical angles are across from each other, okay? 2 lines are intersecting, and we have angles that are across from each other. What? Okay. So you're telling me that angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical. Who else is vertical? Okay. Angle 1 and angle 3. Okay. I like to think of these as V for vertical. Like angle 2 looks like a V. And then upside down 4 is a V. And what is true about angle 2 and 4 besides them being vertical? Okay.
They're both even.
Thank you. Are they the same measure or are they different? They are. We call that congruent when we're talking about geometry. We talked about that word a lot before winter break. Okay. So that'll come into play tomorrow when we're solving for angles. But vertical angles are going to be congruent. They have the same measure. So since angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical, we know that they're congruent. Since angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical, we know that they are congruent. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Whose room is adjacent to mine? Not Miss Ripple. Miss Volker is adjacent to me. Oh, she is next door to me, isn't she? Miss Volker and I. What do our rooms have in common?
Math.
Well, besides that,
Tables.
our physical rooms, what do they share?
Walls.
We share a wall. This wall is also her wall. You're going to hear that, okay? So when we talk about adjacent angles, we're talking about angles that are, I'm going to write this, next to each other, okay? They're next door neighbors, and we can see that because they share a side. They share a side, and they share a vertex, but it's cool that I'm not going to focus on that as much. The vertex is this dot right here, okay? But they share a side. If they share a side, they're adjacent, no matter what the size is.
Miss Homer, your earrings are so cute.
Thank you. Okay.
Where do you get your awesome earrings from?
A boutique in Kansas.
I think I'm gonna have to
You
Okay.
don't go all the way to Kansas for each pair of earrings?
I'm like from Kansas.
So do you go there and get your earrings? Or do you order them?
I was in Kansas visiting my parents for Christmas,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
and I went shopping.
Is that where you got like your bow ones from, or those cherries? Or those are
The bows, they're bows,
From
yeah.
the boutique?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's it called?
I don't know there.
Okay, complimentary. What does complimentary mean? Oh, I like that. Okay, not compliment like Rhea liking my earrings, but compliment with an E. Nayeli said something about 90 degrees. Okay, the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. What does sum mean? Okay, so if two angles add to equal 90, we say that they are complementary.
Why did you move here?
Well, I went to college in Nebraska.
Oh, me too.
And then
But like of all places, Nebraska's so boring.
Nebraska and Kansas are equally boring.
No, they're not. Nebraska's worse.
Kansas has way more stuff.
Kansas,
You guys have worlds of fun.
bro, we have four.
Okay. In this picture, these angles are complementary because when we add angles 7 and 8 together, they would add to be 90 degrees. So there's a couple different ways we could see that in a picture. We could see it like that, where they have the box and we know that they add to be 90 degrees. Or we might have like a 30-degree angle here and like a 60-degree angle here. And I know that they're complementary because they add to 90. Okay. I did that today, special for Friday.
For the lights.
Lights, yeah.
Why don't?
Our
Yeah,
like varsity team, like, we gotta wear polos every Friday at quarter.
I just want you to know I'm not.
You're what?
Yeah, we're wearing them to the meetings too.
Okay. We'll work on it with these pictures down here. Okay, now I have a question. Question. This little picture that I drew, are these two angles adjacent? Do they share a side?
No.
No. Okay. In this picture, are these two angles adjacent?
No. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, because they share a side. Okay. And that box means they add to 90, so we know they're complementary. Okay. Supplementary. What is our sum going to be?
180.
There you go, 180. A straight line is 180 degrees. So in this picture, I see that 9 and 10 combined together to be a straight line, which is 180. Anytime we have two angles that add up to be 180, we say that they're supplementary. Okay. What? So can we get their notes first, please? Thank you. Now, in this picture, angles 9 and 10 are also adjacent. See, you got it. But they don't always have to be. I could have like an 80-degree angle, and then I could have like a 100-degree angle, and I could say, oh, hey, these two are supplementary because they add to 180. Okay? So our job is to be able to look at a picture and decide what we know about the two angles. Okay? Are they vertical? Are they adjacent? Are they supplementary? Are they complementary? Okay? So let's look at number 1. Okay, Nayeli says she thinks these two are adjacent. Is that true? Why is that true? What? They share a wall, okay? Like me and Miss Volker, they share a wall. They share this side right here, okay? Is there anything else that's true about these two? And how do we know that? Because the box, they add to 90 degrees, so they are complementary. I totally do not care about spelling. If you put ADJ period, I'll know that means adjacent. If you put COMP period, I'll know that means complementary. Okay? Okay. So there's number one. Wait a minute, what? Oh, okay. In number two. What's true about this one? Armando asked, would these be adjacent? Yes. They share a side. They are next door to each other. Okay? Now, do these two make a 90-degree angle?
No.
So they are not complementary. Do they make a straight line?
No.
So they're not supplementary. The only special thing in this picture is that these two are adjacent. Okay? Is that okay?
No.
No? Okay. Huh. How about this picture?
Adjacent.
Ooh, do these two share a side? Okay, so these are adjacent. Is anything else true about them?
Straight line.
Oh, do they make a straight line when we put them together?
Yes.
So what does that mean, Colton?
It'd be. I don't know.
It would be supplementary.
Yeah.
They add together to be 180 because they make that straight line. Okay, now number 4's picture looks really similar, but the angle numbers are in different spots. Do you see that? Okay, do you see how 1 and 2 are across from each other? Okay, so that means they're what? That means they're vertical. Are they adjacent?
No.
They don't share a wall. Okay, vertical cannot be adjacent. Okay. Now, in number 5, are these two angles adjacent? No, they don't share a side. And they're not like across from each other to make vertical. How do you know that, Story? If we take 116 and add it to 64, what does that equal? 180, which means these two angles are supplementary. Good catch. If there's numbers, add them together. Okay, Sophia. What's true about 23 plus 67?
9, it would equal 90.
So what's true about these two angles?
They're
They are complementary.